Everybody, I'm the voice actor. I'm the voice actor and maker of this character. We're going to from head to legs. We're going to add his top to bottom from legs, from armor. Head armor is the thermal vision goggles. Next up is the upper arm armor. Here is the arm armor. More arm armor. And onto the next arm. These parts go here in the middle, so that this
Sige lang, wala ka on. Kasi na tayo mo.
shucks.
Wag mo. Buha ka bulan at sa trabaho na pangalawang bulan nila.
This is here so that I can add his shields.
Shoot closer.
Parang nalino na siya, pero ilang ano na ba?
It perfectly aligns with this part since it's flat. By the way, the fingers are posable,
Yan mo.
but it only has a limited number since Lego is quite big, but small at the same time. Now onto the legs. Thigh armors. More thigh armor. Even more thigh armor. Even more thigh armor. Finally onto the legs, the final part. Shoot. Jetpack armor.
Shoot. Yeah.
This is the armor for the jetpack. And this part is where I put the shield. This shield was based off the shield from Doom Slayer, the Doom